Hi everyone. Today, we'll show you how to edit a signed PDF in DocuSign. Signed PDF documents are usually locked for security, but there are ways to correct them or create new versions when changes are needed. Let's walk through your options together. First, we click on Agreements in the upper left. Then we click here to download the PDF we want to edit. We click Download so we can get started. As you can see, we have already signed this document. To edit it, we need to open a PDF editor. Let's open a new tab, type PDF in Editor, and press Enter. We'll choose pdfFiller as our editor. It's reliable and straightforward to use. We select the file from our device and choose the Edit option. Then we click Start Editing. From here, we can move the signature around if needed. We can also resize or adjust it however we like. Once we're happy with the changes, we click Done and then download the file. That's how we handle editing a signed PDF in DocuSign. Keep in mind that instead of editing a signed document directly, we'll usually need to create a corrected version and resend it for signatures.